Literally everybody is talking about meme coins, and we definitely shouldn't ignore it. Shiba Inu is targeting to be the next big meme coin due to a number of Reddit articles that are going viral and becoming more and more influential. That said, could SHIB go up over 25,000%? Well, that's exactly what we'll answer in this video. Let's get started. A record speculative frenzy. The more people talk about an altcoin, the more speculation about its price increases. And this ends up being reflected not only in the charts, but also in the number of people, also known as addresses, who buy such coins. And now, speculative fervor around SHIB recently reached unprecedented levels, reprising the retail frenzy observed ahead of May's price crash. CoinDesk reported that the number of addresses that acquired the cryptocurrency within 20% of the all-time high price climbed sixfold to a record of 116,560 in early November, based on data provided by Into the Block. In other words, it means the more that SHIB's price goes up, the more people want to buy it instead of trying to sell or trade it. The spike in the so-called all-time highs addresses tracked by Into the Block indicates a rush to buy the cryptocurrency near the lifetime price high, a clear sign of FOMO often observed in the last leg of the bull markets. And if you don't know or understand what FOMO is, don't worry, we'll explain it later. Just stick around this video, alright? Basically, when everyone stops talking about the coin, or when there is a significant sell-off of an address that holds many quantities of the asset, fear strikes over the holders, so the vast majority of them decide to sell all at once. This is because holders usually think it's better to sell now and realize a minimal profit than to hold on longer and make a loss. Well, still according to Into the Block, last time this pattern emerged in Shiba Inu in May, SHIB dropped by 90%. So SHIB's record high of all-time highs doesn't imply a crash is imminent. However, it does serve as a fairly accurate indicator of the degree of speculative action taking place. Experienced investors typically reduce long exposure whenever signs of retail FOMO emerge. And that's why it's so important to talk about SHIB's recent dip in its prices. A 50% down in SHIB's price? Is it time to buy or run from it? Back on August 1st, 2020, the Shiba Inu coin made its debut. The initial maximum coin supply was set at 1 quadrillion tokens, hence the really low per token price. But by October 27th, 2021, SHIB hit what's currently an all-time per token, and such an increase is about a gain of over 17,335% in less than 15 months. And that's a life-altering increase for early investors. There is a laundry list of reasons Shiba Inu has gone to the moon. First, the community is growing. On November 3rd, more than 872,000 wallets owned a stake in Shiba Inu, and over the past 15 months, there have been an increased number of cryptocurrency exchanges that have listed SHIB for trading. Second, cryptocurrency investors have seen over 7 million % gains in Bitcoin since July 2010, and simply everyone wants to find the next coin that can duplicate such an impressive move higher. As for something a bit more tangible, the launch of ShibaSwap in July looks to be providing some modest lift. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange that allows investors to stake their coins to earn passive income over time. This encourages investors to hold their SHIB, which could lessen some of the price vacillations we've seen previously. But something happened and SHIB just fell 50% a little over a week ago, just a bit over a week after hitting its all-time high. One possible reason is a Shiba Inu whale cashing out. In case you don't know, when SHIB made its debut in August 2020, an investor acquired 70 trillion tokens, which was worth about $8,000 at the time. This investment increased in value to more than $5 billion at SHIB's peak. Recently, this person transferred 40 trillion SHIB tokens to 4 separate web addresses. This has some folks believing this early investor may be looking to cash out some or all of his or her position, and it would cause an implosion in SHIB's price. To add to this point, profit-taking might be on the minds of more than just one whale. With the US government discussing the possibility of capital gains tax changes for the well-to-do, some investors might be inclined to cash out now when their tax status is concretely known, rather than chance paying a higher capital gains rate in the future. As we already mentioned, history also provides precedents for the decline. There have been multiple payment coins that have delivered incredible percentage gains over the past couple of years. Usually, these events happen when investors have used their FOMO catalyst to send altcoins higher. Let's focus on this now. The FOMO can make you lose money. Take care with it. It's It's not uncommon for young investors in the cryptocurrency space to be driven by FOMO. FOMO in the context of crypto is short for fear of missing out. It's the feeling of anxiety or the idea that other people are sharing a positive or unique experience, earning high rewards while you're out of it by not investing in a promising asset. Good examples are a sale when a price suddenly rises or a bulk purchase of securities when a price is low. The FOMO feeling is particularly prevalent when a cryptocurrency rises in value significantly over a short period of time. This sentiment will likely trigger a surge in its price because people led by FOMO just begin to buy that asset like crazy. So yes, often it's based on euphoria, not by a rational analysis of which asset to buy. FOMO leads to irrational thinking and can lead to unreasonable decisions in crypto trading. In detail, this means that people buy or sell irrationally. In addition to unreasonable trading, FOMO can lead you to total loss. And that's exactly the kind of euphoria happening with Shiba Inu right now. So to deal with it, do your own research in the cryptocurrencies before making investment decisions. Create a set of rules for trading or set limits on the allowable losses and profits. As we said, there's some whale among SHIB holders, which makes the token prone to manipulations. One way they do it is by artificially pumping the price and dumping or selling the cryptocurrency. When the prices fall, those who fear missing out on the rise end up making losses. So be sure of buying and selling at the right time, not because everybody is doing it. But what does the near future hold for SHIB? To the moon or to zero? There's another perspective from a technical analysis. It seems that SHIB could be gathering momentum to catch bids and eventually confirming a buy the dip strategy that allows the coin to skyrocket in the mid and long term. In other words, some investors are buying when the price is low to increase their positions in this asset. Some algorithmic models, like the one created by Wallet Investors, state that Shiba Inu could approximately hit, and be ready for a lot of zeros now, around 0.000185 cents in 5 years, validating in some way the scenario of the Dogecoin killer eating more zeros on the road if the optimism remains alive. Of course, this is an optimistic long-term perspective. It doesn't mean you couldn't accumulate losses by being another FOMO victim right now. So just be cautious and make a chart analysis. We won't be that kind of don't buy meme coins YouTube influencers. Every kind of asset can be a realistic opportunity to build wealth since you have a smart investment strategy. And if you don't have one, even blue chips aren't safe in your portfolio. Alright, well that's all for today, guys. Always remember that none of this information should be taken as investment advice. This video was made to be the starting point of your research, not the final answer of what asset you should buy. We aren't financial advisors, so do your own research and trade safely. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be up to date about everything in the crypto market. Also, check our gifts and bonuses in the description to invest in crypto with the best market conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll be waiting for you in the next one.